Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use MAPOG Nearest Neighbor Tool to quickly locate key locations on a map. First, head over to story.mapog.com and create a new map or work on any existing map you have created. Give it a meaningful name and description. I've already added a dataset of schools in a country, and I want to find the nearest hospitals to each school. If you're not sure how to add layers, check out our tutorials on that. On the left panel, click Process Data. Select Nearest Neighbor Tool. Now, select the input layer, the layer containing the points you want to analyze, in my case, schools. Then, choose the target layer, the features you want to find the nearest locations for here, hospitals. MAPOG lets you define the search distance so that only relevant results appear. I'll set it to 5 kilometers to find hospitals within a reasonable range from schools. You can save it as a new layer or update the existing one with your desired attributes available. Click Submit. In just seconds, the tool generates a new layer showing each school's nearest hospital. You can visually inspect the results and even download the data for further analysis. To make things clearer, let's style the layer. Click Style Layer under the Action button. Adjust the colors, icons for better visualization. Click Save Style, and there you have it. With MAPOG Nearest Neighbor Tool, you can now easily identify closest locations, optimize planning, and make informed decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share, and subscribe for more MAPOG tips. Need help? Reach us at support@mapog.com. Thanks for watching. Happy mapping!